I gave 5 of the most powerful AI crypto trading bots $10,000 each, and the results were insane. One bot made more than a human trader in 10 minutes, and one lost everything in under 60 seconds. Today, we're revealing the top AI bots dominating crypto in 2025, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one could make you money while you sleep. This isn't just another crypto review, this is a battle of bots. What if I told you that right now, as you're watching this video, artificial intelligence could be making people money automatically without them lifting a finger? And no, this isn't science fiction. It's happening right now, all across the crypto world. Welcome to Crypto Wonderworld, where we don't just follow trends, we chase the future. And today, the future is spelled AI. It's 2025, and crypto trading has changed. Bots are no longer basic scripts running simple buy-sell commands. These new AI-powered machines analyze millions of data points in real time, adapt to market chaos, and some of them even learn from every single trade they make. But here's the million-dollar question. Which bots actually work? Which ones are dominating the markets? And which are just overhyped trash that'll drain your portfolio faster than a rug pull? In this video, we're putting the spotlight on the most talked about AI crypto trading bots of 2025, the ones turning heads, flipping charts, and redefining how people think about making money with crypto. We'll break down exactly how they work, what features set them apart, and most importantly, whether any of them are actually worth your time. So whether you're a curious beginner or a seasoned trader looking for an edge, stick around. What you learn in the next few minutes could literally change how you trade forever. Alright, before we dive into the bots themselves, let's get one thing straight. What even is AI trading? Because if you're imagining some robot in a hoodie sitting at a computer yelling, "Buy Bitcoin." Yeah, that's not it. Artificial intelligence in crypto trading is way more advanced, way more powerful, and honestly, a little scary if you think about it. We're talking about machine learning algorithms that can sift through millions of data points, from price charts and trading volume to social media trends, market sentiment, even global economic news, all in real time. Now ask yourself, could you do all that in under 1 second? No way. These AI trading bots are designed to do exactly that. They're programmed not just to read the market, but to learn from it. Think of them like the Terminator, but instead of hunting down Sarah Connor, they're hunting down profit opportunities across every crypto exchange in existence. They spot patterns, predict breakouts, time entries and exits with almost surgical precision. And the best part? They never sleep. Literally. While you're watching Netflix, or sleeping, or stuck in traffic, these bots are locked in, scanning charts, crunching numbers, executing trades without fear, FOMO, or fatigue. And here's the kicker. Many of them are built to adapt. That means they're constantly updating their strategies based on market behavior. What worked last month might not work tomorrow, but the top AI bots are designed to evolve. This isn't just set-it-and-forget-it automation. This is continuous optimization. In a market that never sleeps, the edge goes to whoever moves fastest, and these bots are the Formula One racers of the crypto world. But just like with racing, the right machine and the right setup make all the difference. So now that you understand what these bots actually are, let's get into the good stuff. Which AI trading bots are crushing it in 2025, and which ones should you avoid like a rug pull meme coin? So, who are the real players in the AI crypto bot game right now? Which bots are actually making people money, and which ones are just throwing around buzzwords like machine learning and hoping you won't ask questions? We went deep into the data, watched performance trends, analyzed real user feedback, and came back with 5 AI-powered trading bots that are dominating 2025. 1. CryptoHopper, the OG powerhouse that just keeps upgrading. First up, CryptoHopper. Now, this one's been around the block, but don't let its age fool you. It's evolved into a beast. Why do people love CryptoHopper? Because it's user-friendly without being weak. You get an insanely clean interface, but behind the scenes, it's loaded with muscle. This bot lets you build custom strategies from scratch or plug into a strategy marketplace. Yeah, like an app store, but for trading brains. You can test them, tweak them, and launch them without touching a single line of code. It supports backtesting, mirror trading, market making, and it works across all the big exchanges. So whether you're playing on Binance, Coinbase Pro, KuCoin, or Kraken, CryptoHopper has your back. Bottom line, it's like hiring a full-time trading analyst who never sleeps, never complains, and doesn't charge you a six-figure salary. 2. 3 commas, the smart trade genius with surgical precision. If CryptoHopper is the all-rounder, 3 commas is the precision sniper. This platform is all about control. Its smart trade terminal? Legit one of the best in the industry. Think of it like a mission control center where you can fine-tune every aspect of your trading, from automated take profits to trailing stop losses to combo strategies most people wouldn't even know how to spell. And here's where AI steps in. 3 commas learns from your trading behavior and offers suggestions to optimize your strategy. It's like having an AI trading coach whispering in your ear, "Hey, maybe take profits a little earlier next time." It's insanely flexible. Beginners love the simple setup options, and pros love the granular control. Plus, it connects to over 16 exchanges. 1 account, 1 dashboard. Total domination. 3. PancakeSwap, the no-frills, built-in bot exchange that over-delivers. Now here's where things get spicy. PancakeSwap isn't just a bot platform, it's an actual exchange with built-in AI bots. That means zero third-party jank and no extra subscription costs. You just sign up and the bots are there, ready to go. The bots themselves? Super solid. You've got AI-driven grid trading, DCA, that's dollar cost averaging, arbitrage, and more. These aren't flashy, they're efficient. And in the AI bot world, efficient is sexy. This is perfect for traders who want simplicity and speed. No coding, no setup headaches, number 20 tab browser madness. You log in, launch a bot, and go. And since PancakeSwap is integrated directly with liquidity pools across top exchanges, you get smooth execution and competitive spreads. Translation? Less slippage. More profit. For CoinRule, the Lego set for rule-based strategy nerds. CoinRule is what you get when you cross Google Sheets with a genius-level AI bot designer. It's completely rule-based, meaning you decide what triggers a trade, how it executes, and what conditions have to be met. But don't worry, it's all visual. You won't need to write a single line of code. Just drag, drop, and boom, you've got a functioning AI-enhanced strategy. The best part? CoinRule uses AI to suggest optimizations based on market data. So if the market flips from bullish to sideways, your bot adjusts. You also get access to a whole library of preset strategies, everything from scalping to long-term holding to volatility-based setups. It's like having your own strategy lab, except instead of test tubes, you're playing with crypto logic blocks. Nerdy? Absolutely. Profitable? Even more so. 5. Go Baby Trade, the dark horse built for high volatility warfare. This one's not for the faint of heart. Go Baby Trade is the bot you use when you're done playing games and ready to let AI go full beast mode. It's built for advanced traders who thrive on market volatility. The kind of person who looks at a 20% drop in Bitcoin and says, "Good, now we're cooking." This platform leans heavy into hands-off AI. It monitors indicators, reacts to sudden changes in sentiment, news, and volume spikes, and adjusts strategies without you touching a thing. Its dashboard is a data lover's dream, filled with deep performance analytics, risk heat maps, and predictive metrics. The downside? It's not as beginner-friendly. But if you know what you're doing, or you're ready to let the AI take the wheel, Go Baby Trade can be a weapon. So there you have it, 5 of the most talked about, most powerful AI crypto trading bots making serious waves in 2025. But remember, this is just the beginning. Because coming up next, we're breaking down how to use these bots, what to watch out for, and the smartest way to start, without risking your entire portfolio. The real advantages of AI trading bots, why everyone's talking about them. Alright, so now you're probably wondering, why even bother with an AI bot in the first place? Like, what makes these things better than just trading on your own? Well, let's break it down, because the advantages aren't just hype, they're game changers. 1. Efficiency. These bots don't blink, they calculate. Imagine trying to analyze every single Bitcoin price movement, Ethereum trading pattern, and on-chain metric while also watching global news headlines, Twitter sentiment, and exchange volumes all at once. Yeah, your brain would melt in about 3 minutes. AI bots? They do that every second. Effortlessly. They're built to process massive datasets in milliseconds. They scan thousands of market indicators, price charts, candlestick patterns, RSI levels, MACD signals, you name it, in real time. And while you're still trying to draw a trend line, they've already entered and exited 3 profitable trades. This level of hyper-efficiency is impossible for humans to replicate. And in a market that moves at lightning speed, speed equals survival. 2. Emotionless trading. The bot doesn't panic sell at 3 a.m. Let's be real, human emotion is the ultimate trading killer. We FOMO in at the top. We panic sell at the bottom. We doubt our strategies, change course mid-trade, and sometimes, let's admit it, we just make decisions based on vibes. AI bots? They don't care. They don't fear red candles. They don't get greedy. They don't chase pumps or fall in love with tokens. They just follow data. Every move is based on logic, code, and probability, not adrenaline, which means more consistent results, fewer emotional mistakes, and better long-term performance. Honestly, that alone is worth its weight in Bitcoin. 3. 24/7 market coverage, because crypto never sleeps, but you should. Here's the thing about crypto, it never closes. No weekends. No holidays. No breaks. While Wall Street sleeps, Bitcoin parties in Seoul and wakes up in Dubai. So unless you plan on pulling all-nighters 7 days a week, you're gonna miss trades. But AI bots? They're tireless. They work 24/7. 365. No coffee breaks. No mental fatigue. No missed opportunities. Whether it's a surprise breakout at 2 a.m. or a flash crash at 4 p.m. on a Sunday, your bot is watching. Ready to act. It's like having a full-time trading assistant who never calls in sick. For backtesting, know what works before you risk a dime. Let's talk strategy. Every trader has ideas, but not every idea is a winner. So how do you know if your brilliant, by every dip, plan actually works? Enter backtesting. With most AI platforms, you can simulate your strategy against historical data, years of price action, thousands of market scenarios, and see how it would have performed. Did it make money during the 2021 bull run? Could it survive the 2022 crash? How would it handle sideways chop in 2023? Backtesting gives you proof before you go live. It's like putting your strategy in a time machine and seeing the future, without risking your actual portfolio. Smarter moves. Fewer surprises. Better outcomes. So let's recap. Why use AI bots? Because they're fast, emotionless, tireless, and smarter than you on your best day. They remove the guesswork, cut out the drama, and give you an edge in the most unpredictable market on Earth. Still with me? Good, because next we're talking risks. Yes, AI bots are powerful, but they're not magic. And if you don't know what to watch out for, they can burn you. Let's break that down, coming up next. Considerations and risks. While AI trading bots offer numerous advantages, it's crucial to be aware of potential risks. Market volatility. Sudden market shifts can impact bot performance, especially if the algorithms aren't designed to handle extreme volatility. Overfitting. Bots trained on historical data might perform well in backtests but falter in live markets due to overfitting. Security concerns. Granting bots access to exchange accounts necessitates robust security measures to prevent unauthorized access. Dependence on technology. Technical glitches, internet outages, or software bugs can disrupt bot operations. Best practices for using AI trading bots. To maximize the benefits and mitigate risks. Start small. Begin with a modest investment to understand the bot's performance and behavior. Continuous monitoring. Regularly review bot activities and market conditions, making adjustments as necessary. Diversify strategies. Employ multiple bots or strategies to spread risk across different market scenarios. Stay informed. Keep abreast of market news and updates related to the bots you use, ensuring timely responses to changes. AI-powered crypto trading bots are reshaping the trading landscape in 2025, offering tools that enhance efficiency, accuracy, and profitability. While they present exciting opportunities, it's essential to approach them with diligence, understanding both their capabilities and limitations. By selecting the right bot, continuously monitoring its performance, and staying informed, traders can harness the power of AI to navigate the dynamic world of cryptocurrency trading effectively. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of AI crypto trading bots. Stay tuned to Crypto Wonderworld for more insights and updates in the crypto universe.